Hi everyone, this is my final year project video, and my project is about travel safety and handling domestic violence. My project is a mobile application using Flutter. So in this video, I will use two real phones and the emulator to demonstrate the functionality of the project. And because of limited recording conditions, I will just use a projection application, which is this one to project my real phone to the computer screen and we can record it together. And this is emulator. So let's start. As we can see, I named the software Patronus, which come from Harry Potter. And let's just start use it. And this is the login page. Of course, if you don't have accounts, you need to register first. So let's register first. In this page, we need to select the user type. You can choose personal, organization, government, or don't say no. So we just use personal first. And then this here is the gender page. You can set male, female, yeah. And then is the username, password, email, phone number. So just give a quick through. And here is use my real email for receiving the verification code. Oh, sorry, here's the password, please. And here is the here's phone number. We just give her the sign up. Now we can check our email to get their code here. Okay, we can get their verification code here, and there is 2990. So let's try the arrow one. So here we can see it's failed. Oh, sorry, let's try the arrow one. Here we can see it's failed. And then let's try the right one. So it's successful, and then we can log in with this account. So it's Tom, and there's okay. Now we are into the main page, and here's my main page. And if you're logging first time, it's where I have a prompter to tell you how to use this app. And this page is mainly about some tools related to travel safety. So, and as we can see in the prompter, it's told us we have the voice recognition here. So if you want to use it, you need to turn it on. So let's try to click it. And now it's first time to use voice recognition. We need to Safe journals help me to check the security alert, so we just try it. So we try to use the voice.
Patronus, help me.
And we can see it can detect the voice usage, and it's well congratulations to you. And of course, if you want to close it, you can click the same button again to turn off to protect your privacy. So, and there's another prompt which says that our loan need an emergency contact. So before we actually use it, we need to set it up. So click this button and we can see here is the empty list. So we click this button to add new ones. First, we change the profile and there's some name like, I don't know, just random. and the phone number. We enter the where we want to be used in the later function. Okay, successful. Now we can see this friend here, and we can click this button to replace the emergency contact. So we'll just accept it, and there we can see it's already been changed here. Also, we can add more friends, like whatever, whatever. So we can see this one here, and we can change this one to emergency contact, and you can change it back. And yeah, we can see it here. So now let's actually try their voice recognition to check the alarm, and the alarm will include their sending message, include their position to your emergency contact, and it also have a large, long and recording videos. And after that, all the videos or images, all these results will be uploaded to AWS S3 buckets. So, it's quite safe and they're useful. And now let's try it. So let's try it.
Patronus, help me. Patronus, help me.
Now we can see the countdown to alarm page and the countdown to alarm alert. We can cancel it definitely, but if we want it to alarm, we just wait it to count down to 0. So we just
Patronus, help me. Patronus, help me.
So we just wait for it to 0. And we can see and then we can just stop recording it and it will be uploaded to server. I will just wait for it. Okay, it's successful upload to the server. Now let's go back. And all of these videos will be uploaded to the AWS S3 bucket, and you can see all of them here. Yeah, you can review them. Yeah, this is just videos I recorded before. So let's stop it and go back. And in addition, because we can see there will be a huge alarm sound and when asking for help. So I have set up separating record function, which is convenient for quiet recording the evidence of domestic violence or something. So we just click the video button here, and it's also can recording video, but it's silent. So we can recording and just stop it. And it will also be uploaded to the server. Okay, it's successful. Now let's look at it. Yeah, it's same as before. So just stop it. Then there is the faker call, which can simulate someone calling you to improve the safety of going out. Of course, you can set a countdown to check it. Let's try it. We just set a countdown time to 10 seconds and confirm it. Just waiting. We can see it's just like a real phone and it also have the phone sounds. We can accept it. It's just like someone is calling to you. So let's hang up it. Then we also can see the alarm button. And this alarm is just like the voice trigger alarms. It is just a real button. You can choose to check by voice or just by physical click it. Just like that. So we don't try it. Then there is the function of path recording. Here we need to use the simulator because simulator can modify the location at will. So it's more convenient to test it. So let's get to the simulator and just hide it. Okay. And in the simulator, we need to log in again under we will use another account I registered before. So here is a stamp. It's a new account. So we can see here they're totally different. They're in totally different place because the simulator can change the location you are. We can see we're in this place and this actually in this place. We can see that. And we also can find that this is a different account. This here name is this, and this one is town, so it's totally different. So we can just try the path recording function. So first, if we want to share our path, we need to turn on this one. This one is first time to use location sharing. If we want to share our position and right in the drawer you routers, you need to turn it on. And if you don't want, you can turn off. And also you need to enter the username you want to share. In here is Tom, so we just enter Tom's name here and save it. And for Tom, if we want to listen to them, we need to turn this button off. And this just like a switch to turn the listening from others. If you don't want other people to bother you, you can just turn it off. So now let's just turn it on. So now we need to change the position. So now let's change the position we are. Let's change it. And we can see here is our router. Let's change this more. And we can see here we can see these users actually pass. I try more. Yeah. So here's all the function of the traveling safety tools. So next we can look at the, we'll just use the real phone project here and to handle others. And we can change our profile. We can change our genders. Yeah, we also can log out here and all other information. If you want to change, you can change them. And then is the domestic violence stage. And we can see this is all the service other people provided to others. So if you want to see them, you can check their detail. And all under this page is writing with React. So it's actually a web view. It's actually a web view. So, and this is the applied list here because I didn't apply something. So I tried to apply for this one and I just randomly to write something just for quick. Okay, as we submit it, we can see it from the applied list here. Applied list here, and let's see. Let's see the provider service page. Now we can see here we also can provide service to others. If you don't have any provide any help, you can provide help now, and we can provide something here, and just like this, and just and then pick some picture to make it more accurate. Just like this one. Okay. Actually, we can pick more than one. So just pause it, and it's very successfully. And let's close it. We can find the one we have posted. And you also can see from this place. And here, this is the service we provide. And if anyone can want to apply for it, they can try to do that. So, and finally is how we process with other people's application. So, because we have applied for this one. This one is actually from the I think it's another account. Let's look at your YZJ account. Let's see here. We can see it from here. This is provided by him, and we can also see it from here. We can see this one is provided by him. So if we want to personalizing with this, we just click on this one, and we can find the detail of their application detail. Yeah, because we just enter little things, so it's really little. So if you want to accept it, we can click this. If we want to reject it, we click this. So now we try to accept it, and this one will to success list and we just check, we just refresh this page. We can see apply successful now. Also, you can delete you surveys you provide, and just like this. And if you try to delete it, all of your application will be rejected. So let's try to apply for this one. Let's try to apply for this one. Actually, let's try to enter something. Okay, okay, we're done, and let's submit it. And we can see it here.